Hey guys, welcome to World History Week 12. We are wrapping up our unit on world religions. Just wanted to make a quick little video cast, as I usually do, to take you through what you're going to be responsible for doing in your My Country project. We have basically all week to work on this project. And we're going to be taking a closer look at one of the world religions you get to choose, and do a little more research on that religion, and then think about how does it apply, if at all, to your country. So go ahead and pull up your project resource page so that you can kind of nest in it and add the new tab for world religion. You might want to also pull up the project resource page, this page, My Country Project, so that you can follow along and pause and see if you have any questions on it. Again, the way I get to the My Country Project page is this in Blackboard. It's right here, My Country Project. So you're going to want to go ahead and go to the Google Sites so that you can open up your country project portfolio. And you just head to the new Google Sites there. And then open up your country webpage there. Remember, everything should be kind of housed on your Google Sites so that you're kind of keeping a portfolio. You should have your country profile page, your democracy versus dictatorship from the last unit, and then you're going to go ahead and come over here to pages, add a page, and title it World Religion, so that your entire project is going to go on that one specific page. So once you have your page all set up, I'm just going to take you quickly through the directions for what you're doing this week. You're going to be selecting one world religion and completing some additional research on it. It can be one of the 5 religions that we looked at, or it could be a more less known religion, or one of not one of the 5 that we looked at. It does need to be followed in the world, though. I have this interactive map here to kind of show where different religions are followed throughout the world. So maybe you can think about where is the geography of your country, and maybe apply it there, but it doesn't necessarily need to fit geographically. Down here I just have our live class slides that we looked at over the past couple weeks. The project's broken into 2 parts. Researching a world religion. So like I said, you're going to pick one religion that's practiced in the world today, and really dive into some research on that religion. I highly recommend that you guys use World Book Encyclopedia. It's linked out here, and directions on how to get there. You just go to World Book, it opens up. If you're on campus, World Book should just fire up. If you are off campus or working from home, like you are on Mondays and Fridays, you'll be asked to type in a password. And that login and password is both just the word Pooter. So after you complete your research, you're going to be creating either a physical poster, a digital drawing, or a Google slide presentation for part 1 of your assignment. This should be highly creative, so not just text, but images, drawings, maps. I don't know if there's any graphing that can be included, but lots of color, lots of detail. Not just a wall of text answering the questions or hitting on the bullet points. So here are some of the things that need to be included. I would say most of them need to be included, but if you miss out on 1 or 2 of them, probably not the biggest deal. But the date that the religion started, the founder, the prophet, leader, where it started, just some of that good history, basic beliefs, the spread of the religion. How did it spread? Where did it spread? Was it spread because of military or action or war or trade? The role of women in that religion, if there are different divisions, sects, denominations, branches, important dates in the history of the religion, what are the holy days, the name of the god or gods, their belief on the afterlife, symbols, any holy books, impact on world events, have there been any wars fought from that religion, countries founded due to that religion, current issues, crisis trends, and where they're located today. If you're opting to go for the physical poster, you might want to get like a poster board or big sheet of paper that you can draw and color on to help you answer those questions. Don't get me wrong, it doesn't need to have like no text, but I just want this to be a creative. Once you have your project completed and uploaded to your webpage, part 2 of it is just opening up a text box. Just insert a text box there. Text box, and writing a couple paragraphs on how this religion has maybe an impact on your country. Some things that you could consider include, like, do the people of your country follow that religion? Are there any other religions in your country? This is where you could get creative and maybe create your own religion. What are the beliefs? Include a bit of historical context as to why your country follows that religion. And if you can make any connections to other projects, like from our democracy versus dictatorship project or other aspects of your country, that would be kind of cool. But roughly a couple paragraphs to kind of do that part 2 of your country. Down here is just looking at what a 4 looks like, right? So format, it was a physical digital poster or Google slide presentation or something else that's supposed to say approved. But if you have any other ideas of what you might want to do for your project, please email me, let me know early this week, by Tuesday, and I could approve it and maybe even allow other students to do that similar project. So if you have any ideas, let me know. You included most of the bullet points from up here. I do want a source list since you're doing some research on the web in MLA format. And I can give you guys some resources on MLA format if you're not familiar with that. It's creative. It's not just text-based. The student did some of the creating as opposed to just copying and pasting images over. And then around 2 to 3 paragraphs explaining the connection to your country. So that would definitely get you in that 4 category for this project. Guys, I'm really looking forward to checking out which religion that you choose, and 2, kind of the research that you get into it, and then 3, how it just connects to your country. Go ahead and also complete our Monday check-in for today. It kind of follows up this Play Pause It. Have an awesome week.